Good morning or good afternoon. I'm Edouard Puto, Sales Manager at Orolia and in charge of the SARBE product line for Europe, Middle East and Africa. The SARBE beacons are robust and reliable, very adapted for military use in enemy or friendly territories. They have many features that allow us to activate very easily the beacon in case of need. In order to activate the beacon, you will be able to do it thanks to the manual button on the top of the beacon, thanks to the orange lanyard, like this, thanks to the water switch that will detect a salt water, and the G switch that will detect an abnormal push, like during an ejection, for example. If we take the SARBE Evo, for example, you can see that there is a very flexible transmission antenna, a GPS antenna, easy push-to-talk button in order to communicate, and a very easy way to replace the battery in case of need. Frequency used in order to send the distress signal will be the 406 MHz, and you will have the homing frequencies on 121.5 and 243 MHz. Today we are working with all the entities of the armies around the world, and we are equipping all the major platforms like aircraft, helicopters, UAVs of the largest manufacturers or even the smallest ones.